What's up, boss man? Well, I didn't see you walking up to me. I'll make sure you got no weapons on you. What's up?
Yeah, I ain't got no weapons on me.
Okay. All right. First and foremost, man, back it up. Now walk up to me like that. All right. Thank you. Here's the thing. There's a sign that says park closed. All right. So here's the thing. Yeah. Keep it moving. You come back, you'll be subject to arrest. You understand? Keep it moving, boss man.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Don't come back. Keep it moving, boss man. I'm not gonna tell you again. If I tell you one more time, I'll place you in handcuffs. You understand? Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Whiskey 712. Give me hands. Give me hands.
For what?
Give me your hands.
For what?
Hands.
Hey.
Give me hands. Put.
Hey, the police.
I have one detained. Hey, get on the ground.
For what?
Get on the ground. I told you keep on walking. You want to stop? Get on the ground.
I ain't stopping.
Now.
I'm
Get on the ground now before I tase you.
My people. Take me for what?
Get on the ground before I tase you.
Take me for what, sir?
Get on the ground before I tase you.
What?
Give me your hands.
For
Give
what?
me your hands.
For what?
Give me your hands.
For what, sir?
Give me your hands.
I ain't do nothing.
Give me your hands.
I did not do nothing.
Yes, I did. I told you keep on
Call
walking.
your
Stop.
supervisor.
You're on their way.
Call your supervisor. My people are on their way. I'm waiting for my ride.
Give me your hands.
For what?
Give me your hands.
My people have to get off of work.
Whiskey 712, take this away.
Okay.
Turn around.
Okay.
Turn around.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Stay right there.
This is bullshit, bro. This is bullshit, bro. Hey, this man just tased me, bro.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Come on, bro. You talking about he coming to me already? He got me in handcuffs already.
Stand up. Stand up.
Bro, come on, bro. This bullshit, bro. I ain't got no weapons on me. I ain't do nothing wrong, bro.
Stand up.
I ain't do
I
nothing
told
wrong.
you keep on walking. Stand up. Face the vehicle.
nothing wrong,
Face
bro.
the vehicle. Face the vehicle.
I ain't do nothing wrong, bro.
Face the vehicle. I'm not gonna tell you again.
Spread your feet from the big rock.
Come on, hold on real quick. Let me take his clothes off.
This is crazy, bro. My people just getting off work. The man said I stopped walking.
Hey, relax, man, relax.
Come on, bro.
We gonna figure it out in a minute.
This shit crazy, bro. I ain't got no weapons on me, no nothing. Okay. Ask him what.
What's your name, man?
My name is.
Where you from?
I'm from Haines City.
Swan. Congratulations.
Man, my people getting off work. I was just on the phone with my people. When you told me I stopped walking.
No,
Up here right now. She coming up here right now.
Come on, I'm taking on that real quick.
Come on, bro.
You got any ID on you?
I just told you, sir.
Oh, okay.
My wallet is in her car. I literally was on the phone calling my
Walk to the
people.
vehicle.
Okay, let's walk this
Come
way.
on, bro. What about my phone?
I'm gonna grab it.
Keep walking.
This all I got on me.
Sir, we'll pick it up. Keep on walking.
You got my hands
We'll
on my
keep on
phone.
walking. Boss
Come
man.
on, bro.
Keep on
You're
walking.
doing too much,
I'm
bro.
not doing too much. Keep on walking.
You're doing too much, bro.
Keep on walking. Vehicle right here. You have anything that should be concerned about? No drugs, knives, weapons?
Bro,
Face the
you
vehicle.
just-
Boss
what-
man,
what-
face the vehicle. Face the vehicle.
Come on, he tased me. He said I stopped walking, man. What was your reason for tasing me? Come on, bro. I'm on the arrest for no reason.
Yeah. Wait, get the wire open.
What you got me on the arrest for? I ain't got no warrant, no nothing.
Boss man, sit down. Rest of you.
Come on, bro.
We'll talk to you.
You got my people
Sit
right
down.
here. I said, well, super. I said, what am I under arrest for?
We're gonna send that for you in a minute. Just slide back.
Y'all already got my people right here.
Get in the car. We're not going to ask you again.
I'm finna sit down.
Sit down.
Get in. That's what you
Yes, it is, because you won't listen. Are you mom?
No, I'm his girlfriend.
Okay, well, he's going to jail for trespassing, okay? That's about all we can tell you. I'm sorry?
How is he trespassing? I bring him here every day until I get off from work.
That's about all we can tell you because you're his girlfriend, you're not married to him, and you're not his mom. Okay?
But that's what I'm trying to understand. If I would have knew he was trespassed, we would have not been coming here. We come here every day, and no one ever stated that we was trespassed here.
I can't give you any details. Like I said, you can get all that from him whenever he gets released, but I can't give you the details on why he was arrested.
You just said he was trespassed, but nobody never trespassed us. Even I'm sitting here until it's time for me to go to work.
I got you. Is that your car?
Yeah, that's my car.
You're good to go because your park's closed, okay? You can't hang out here.
Can I say something to him?
No, ma'am. He has not cooperated one bit with us, so absolutely not. Okay?
I can't even get his stuff put out.
No, ma'am. So he knows that. Say he was tased, so he's got to go get cleared.